So I'll be showing you guys the easiest way and the correct way to install Windows 11 on a non-supporting shitty PC. I mean, it's crazy how they can allow you to play video games, but for some reason you can't update to Windows 11. Well, I got you. I'm gonna give you the fastest and the easiest way. This shouldn't take nothing long, but a couple seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and download Rufus. Da da da. That'll be in the description. Download the first one if you're on Windows. Da da da. You wanna hit this, hit that, open that, just like that. So then you want to do this, yeah, optional, you can. But if you're using hard drive, if you're using a hard drive or something, click this. My hard drive is remotely manned, so it's not going to pop in. But I'm going to show you how to do it with the USB. But I'm not actually going to do it. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. The easiest way. On update, click yes. Da 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 da. Okay. Then for this, what I suggest, if you don't want this same exact name, you can. I believe you can only change this for the hard drive, but um, but if you have like a hard drive or an SSD, you can change this shit, the volume label, because after it's that, you can't change it. Unfortunately, it's stuck like that for some fucking reason, but whatever. So then, whatever you want to do next, I'm just gonna do this, and so then, what is it? It's the USB. So what I do is I add this one here because mine's like this will be what about 27 gigabytes. I think 20 to 25. Yeah, 25, about 25 gigabytes. So then you want to at least have this file on there. Put that on the USB after you do this. So I'm gonna click the image, but I'm not gonna do anything. But then after I hit start, but make sure to do, because if you do the standard fucking installation, for some reason it's like glitchy or something, and it doesn't want to like update. But oh wait, I was wrong. You can actually change it right now. And if you don't change it now, you can't really change it again until further notice. And then you want to just go straight to Windows. And then this will give you all this. Then you'll hit start. And then what you want to do, hit all the buttons, make sure they're checked. And for if you have an SSD or a hard drive, it'll say like a 2013 Canada. You just want to press leave that unchecked. It doesn't really matter. Your format really doesn't matter. It automatically does it for you. And it's going to ask you, do you want to do remove secure boot and TPM. Those are just other countermeasures, but they're mostly using this shit for AI. But who gives a fuck about AI? It's honestly a shit show there. Yeah. And so after you click that, do, you want to after you hit this, you want to put Rufus. You want to pre-install Rufus, mostly the one that you just downloaded, which would be that one. So then you just drag and drop that bitch directly into this folder with it, and it will, well, with it, and it'll be directly in here with it. So then as soon as you just plug in the USB, it's gonna loady, does what it needs to do, and bam, you're technically done. And updates. Updates. Now updates are all safe. I mean, as far as these are the ones that I downloaded and they still work. So you don't have to worry about your computer getting bricked or anything, or whatever the fuck you guys want to call it. Your computer's still going to be working like a champ. You're going to be playing games, whatever, watching your favorite hentai show, all right, etc. Whatever you're trying to do with your computer, it's going to work. It's not going to mess up or act up or any certain way if you download all the updates off there. And some people are like question, why is my resolution stuck? You have to install all the updates, which is mostly, let's see. Let me look at these updates real quick. It would mostly be the driver updates, but I believe it's mostly this right here. These two right here. So that's pretty much all how to install it. So whenever you load it up on Rufus and hit that go to Windows, make sure it's on go to Windows or you're just going to waste your fudging time. Use GPT if you want the fastest, if you want your hard drive or HDD. I'm stupid. Your SDD to go as fast as you personally want it to go. That's all you have to do. Make sure it's GPT and go to Windows. And then you're all set. And then just plug this doohickey in there. And this is for the USB, because if you're trying to like upgrade your current hard drive that's in there, you would have to remove that joint and take it out and make sure you're what is it called, running the BIOS. What is it? EFI file. And you want to make sure you're running the EFI file that's on your hard drive. And then you can go down there in your SATA port and plug your hard drive in. And then for that, you just hit list your hard drives and it will be in here. I have a hard disk enabled, but it's plugged in digitally and it's running right now, so it's not going to show up. So then, man, just press start. That's pretty much all. And you're easy to start doing what you need to do. Less than 5 minutes.